Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, this is Crazy for Science and I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. If you are looking for some good science experiments, here are a few amazing experiments which you can easily do at your homes. So let's start. Firstly, we are going to do an experiment which will prove that oil is less dense than water. What you need for this experiment is vegetable oil, ice cubes, and a glass. First, let's pour some oil in the glass and now a cube of ice. What we can observe is that the ice is melting and the water is settling down. This is because oil is less dense than water and therefore it floats. But why is oil less dense than water? It is so because the molecules that make up the oil are larger than those that make up water, so they cannot pack as tightly together as the water molecules can. They take up more space per unit area. Ice has now completely melted and water has formed a layer below the oil. Now let's move to the next experiment, magic of air pressure. What all you need for this experiment is an empty bottle, some water, and a tissue paper. Pour water in the bottle. Now cover the closure of the bottle by a tissue and tilt it upside down. What we can observe is that when we first tilted the bottle upside down, the pressure of the air inside the bottle and the air pressure outside the bottle were equal. But now the air pushing up from underneath the tissue paper is strong enough to overcome the weight of the water pushing down on the tissue. Because of the air pressure pushing up on the tissue will stay on the closure of the bottle and water will not spill out. Now I am going to show you a magic and I hope you all would like that. Let's pour some more water and the candle is still burning. Isn't it amazing? Let's see how it is possible.